Hey guys, it's Marianne, and I just wanted to talk to you about this week's work. Anyways, as I mentioned before, the weekly content is where you'll know what we're doing this week. Then the assignment is where you upload the assignments, and further information is in there. So again, this is like an outline of what we're doing, and then the assignments is where you find the drop boxes and further information about each of the assignments. So let's go into week 3. All right, so I have a quick little lecture about banned words. I'm sure you've heard these words before, and then this is a accompanying PowerPoint. Then you have a quick quiz. It's 10 points and 5 questions. What this is sentences, and then you have to rewrite sentences without the banned words in them. The stories or the texts for this week are Dylan Hernandez's I'm a Poor Kid at an Elite College. Dylan is a Flint kid who is at the University of Chicago. In fact, I think he's still there. Ashley Fetters is about bad hookups in college. So there's that. I'm going to talk to you guys about the This I Believe essay, because that's what you're going to be starting this week. In that essay, you're going to be practicing narrative techniques. So this is the lecture about that. And then this is the accompanying PowerPoint. Then you have a narrative technique assignment. Next, you have a lecture about the writing process. And then you have another lecture about the organization of an essay. And then you have an assignment for organizing an essay. You also have the article reflection too, which again, the whole purpose is for fundamentals, topic sentences, concluding sentences, supporting details, introduction of the text in its entirety. So there we have that. And then Sir Ken Robinson comments about creativity in schools and our education system. Finally, continue reading Indian Horse. So I hope this is helpful, you guys, and please reach out if you have any questions. Talk to you later.